Hey guys, welcome to MADHU'S culinary classes. Today's recipe is yummy and healthy honey lemon pancake. Things required are 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 smashed bananas, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, yellow food color, salt, 100 ml milk. Let's get started. First, in a pan, add 1 cup of rolled oats and roast them for at least 2 minutes at a low flame. Then, pull them and put it in the grinder. Grind it into fine powder. In a bowl, add oats flour, 2 smashed bananas, mix them well. Then add lemon juice 1 teaspoon, ginger juice 1 teaspoon, mix them well. Gradually add 100 ml of milk. Stir them nicely. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons of honey, a pinch of salt, a pinch of yellow food color. This step is totally optional. Mix them well. Add some water to get a perfect consistency. Not too thick or not too runny. Let's make the pancake. In the pan, grease it with oil or butter. Form the pancake mixture and close them for about 2 minutes at a low flame. Toast them from both sides. Here, our yummy and super delicious lemon honey pancakes are ready to serve. For more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do follow us on our social media handles. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!